Hey guys, welcome back into my channel. I'm Angela from Violet Flame, and the topic of today's episode is, will 20 euros be enough to spend a nice day in Sofia, to plan a nice activity and maybe have a nice meal? And I have come up with this great idea to go to the Museum of Illusions. The Museum of Illusions is located on number 16 Maria Luisa Boulevard, which is very near to the covered market Halite. After this, I'm planning to pop into my favorite restaurant and treat myself to lunch. So if you're curious to find out if I will be able to manage with a budget of 20 euros, watch this video till the end and you'll find out. Let's go! The red and the yellow panels are the same size and shape, but when you place one of them above the other, the one above appears to be smaller. Even after swapping them a few times, the result was the same. If you keep looking at this drawing, you'll see movement inside the circles. Check this out, the reflection in the mirror doesn't correspond to the portrait. The museum provides interactive, immersive and fun experience for children, parents, couples and elderly people. It's an exciting place for all generations. Amusing and hard to figure out tricks will teach you about vision, perception and science, so it will be easier to understand why your eyes see things which your brain cannot comprehend. One of the last illusions I'm going to share with you is a bed fixed on the ceiling. If you take a picture standing underneath the bed and then turn around the image, it will seem as if you're walking on the ceiling. The illusion with the chair was the highlight of my visit. I really loved it. Staff members are very helpful, and if you ask them, they will take pictures of you, but still I would advise you to bring a friend because some illusions are represented better if there is a second person. The museum is smaller than what I expected, but it was fun and I would love to visit again. Now it's time for lunch. I'm going to one of my favorite restaurants, but I have to make sure I'll stay within my budget. The order should not exceed €9.50 or 19 leva in Bulgarian currency. Okay, I have ordered pasta with small meatballs and also small beer, so I think it will be about €10, but let's see. Okay, this is getting messy, so I'll see you in a moment, okay? The bill has arrived, and from what I can see, I went over budget with only about 40 cents. The €20 budget didn't include the tip to the waitress and the transport.